very early in the morning, bombing, and houses were just blown into pieces, people were killed, so many of losses. We were very sort of determined and very patriotic. We were just prepared to give our life, you see, at any time, in anywhere.
When the Russians invaded from the other side, and the Polish government was being evacuated to Romania.
And we got an order from our higher authorities to reach the nearest neutral country and try to get to France, where the Polish army was to be reformed. We said, no, we are still fighting, and we are going to try to join the British.
It wasn't really an escape, it was just a walkout.
So every shot was direct, bang, into the tank.
And 5 minutes later we started war again.
All the time, pushing the German up north.
British-Polish para-brigade should be first landed, because we had plenty to square. We were let down by the Allies.
For us, it wasn't really a victory.
We would not be able to return back to our country.
I would be executed the moment I landed in Poland as a regular soldier.